everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm actually going to be unboxing the Walmart beauty box. I had no idea that this was even a thing until a couple months ago, and it's a seasonal box, so I had to wait for the next one to come out. It just got in the mail today. My little one is actually homesick and is napping, so I thought this would be the perfect time to open her up and see what it's all about. All right, so let me see if I can get her opened up. I just got my hair cut like into like a shag. You have to tell me what you think. I'm still learning how to style her, and I just got over having COVID for the first time, and it was awful. Like, I was in bed for 4 days. So I know I'm still looking rough. Today's the first day that I've actually felt like good since I got it last week. But and my little one doesn't have COVID. She's got strep throat, which, bless her heart. But I didn't want you to be like, oh no, your baby got COVID. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. So I don't know much about the beauty box other than it is $6.98 and it comes out 4 times a year. But I thought for like under $7, you know, what do you really have to lose? All right, so you get this little, the spring spotlight. Does it say what's in it? Oh, okay, cool. So I guess this is all of the stuff you can get. It does have the prices. And yeah, so let's see what I got. I don't want to like look at them, so I'm gonna pull it out. So first I have this EOS Shea Butter 24-hour moisture shave cream. So that's really nice. Usually I just use like conditioner or shampoo or like whatever is closest to me in the shower. So this looks really interesting. Pomegranate raspberry. There wasn't really like a seal protector on it, so. Oh, but it does smell really good. Oh, that feels really nice. Okay. So let's see, how much is this guy here? So full size of this is $3.97. I really like the color too. It's really pretty. All right. Oh, I keep looking. Oh, okay. So I got some AF94, which is, I think it's Halsey's brand, like her affordable brand. And this is their false advertising faux lashes. Lash 01, a fluffy round lash look. So they're actually really pretty. I am not like a huge lash person. I use a lash serum on my lashes, so I really don't see the need for them, but these do look really nice and fluttery. That's the look that I really enjoy, and it has like a clear band, so yeah, it's their natural style. So that is pretty cool. And they are $4.98. So with these two items combined, I've already got my money's worth. So let's see what else is in here. Okay. I like that they put it in a bag in case it spills. That was very thoughtful of them. This is Marc Anthony's Repair Bond plus Rescuplex Repair and Protect Leave-In Treatment. So this says that it is clinically proven to rebuild and maintain damaged hair bonds, including I'm not even trying to say that. I'll put it on the screen. Bonds. This leave-in deeply conditions and protects. It also is a heat protector up to 450 degrees and reduces color fade. So, all right. Let's see if I can find this on here. So the full size of this, and I'm certain this is not the full size, is $8.47. So, okay. It just says that you lightly spray onto clean hair, comb through, and style. So, interesting. I've been on like a hair journey lately, so I'll give it a try. I do use Olaplex, so Okay, I got the Neutrogena Hydra Boost with Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Cleansing Gel. Okay, that sounds interesting. I love me some hyaluronic acid. I don't really know how like beneficial it's going to be if you're just washing it off your face. But okay. The full size of this is $8.99. So I'm sure this is worth like, what size is that? Let's see. Let's see if I can do some math here. 7.8 fluid ounces, and this is a half of ounce. So we're looking at like 50 cents worth of product right here. But I guess it's cool. You can try it out. All right. And then the CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. So another cleanser, little sample doodle. The full size of this is $12.47, and that's for 12 ounces. And this is 1 fluid ounce. So this is worth $1 and some change. So there you go. All right. Next we have the Sweet Tooth Scent Beauty. Okay, some perfume. The Sweet Tooth Perfume by Sabrina Carpenter. I guess I still have that kind of on there. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's like a sweet floral kind of scent. It's not bad. The actual like consistency of the liquid inside feels a little on the thicker side, so I feel like it's gonna last pretty well. It's nice. It's nice. I'm kind of more into like what do you call those? Not like deep scents, but like warm. That's the word. I'm more into like musky warm scents. But this is nice and light, and I think it's appropriate for a spring box. Oh, here it is. There's the thing it came with. Let's see if it has any more. Oh, okay, there we go. Top notes for the Sweet Tooth perfume are sparkling bergamot, candied ginger, and chocolate marshmallow. Okay, yeah, I can see that. Mid notes are coconut milk, sheer jasmine petals, and vanilla Madagascar. And the dry notes are cashmere wood, chantilly, STT, and sugared musks. So, okay, now that some of those like floral scents have kind of dissipated, or it's melded in with my skin, it definitely does feel or smell a lot warmer, and something that I actually really like. That's so interesting because like when I first sprayed it, it was like it was all flowery, kind of foo-foo-y, and now it's I actually like that. I wonder how much that costs. So for 1 fluid ounce of that, it's $29.99. So that's not bad. It actually smells really good. All right. And this comes with 0.1 ounce. So I don't know. You tell me what that's worth. But and then the last thing it looks like we have is this little COVERGIRL color correcting serums moisturizing primer. So the green is for neutralizing, the pink is brightening, and the yellow is for dullness reducer, and the red is for dark spot neutralizing. Yeah, that's right. So you can give those a little try. That's pretty nice. Okay. And it looks like the full sizes of these are $14.98. So you get to try them out. And that is everything. So, thoughts. What are your thoughts on this? I feel like these right here is where you get your money's worth because these totaled a little bit more than $7. And I will definitely use this for sure. And I'll play around with these. I think it would be fun. And I think this is really cool. How much is this? Oh yeah. And so the full size of this is actually only $8.47. So I'm gonna do some more research on this to see if it could be similar to the Olaplex, which is, you know, $60. Though I know where to get it for $42. Like there's this set. I have a YouTube short on my channel. I'll link it down below because last I looked, it was still available. It's such a good deal where you can get the number 3, a full size number 3, a full size number 0, and 2 of like the smaller size shampoo and conditioners for $42. So such a good deal. But I want to try this out and see if it's comparable. That could be a good find. And this right here smells, it does really, really, really do, it does really smell good. And these little things last me forever. So that's a good find. And as far as the cleansers go, I mean, I'm kind of picky about my cleansers, but I'll definitely give them a try, you know, see what they're all about. I might actually really like it and find an affordable cleanser. Sorry. Woo! All right. Basically, everything else after this was free and like little samples that you get with a Sephora order. So pretty cool. I'm totally down to do the next box and try some more things out. So you have to tell me what you think. Do you think you're getting like just junk that's gonna take up space in your bathroom, or do you think it's helpful or fun? I think it's fun more than anything else. I like mystery boxes. So you have to let me know if you've ever subscribed to this before or gotten one of these, what your thoughts are, and let me know if you like subscription boxes unboxings because I get Ipsy every month. I love Ipsy. Not sponsored. I wish though, because again, I'm kind of obsessed with them. So I'll be more than happy to sit down and do my Ipsy subscription boxes with you as well. But that is it for today's video. I do say a prayer at the end of my videos, so if you are not interested in that, that's totally fine. But before you go, I'll have some other videos down in the description for you to check after this one. If you found any value to this video, any entertainment, or just want to be really awesome, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would love it if you would join this little YouTube family. I do post beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content that will help you save your money and your time. I do all the research. I watch tons of videos and go ham on Amazon and Walmart and all the different things that are out there that can help save you money. So you can spend your time doing anything else other than that. But yes, I would love to have you. Just hit that subscribe button and just don't forget to hit and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and say my prayer. But before I do, I just want to let you know that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests that you may have. My Instagram and my email address are always down in the description as well. So you can send those my way, and I'll be more than happy to pray for you in the privacy of my own home. I've never put your information on my channel or anything like that. But right now, I'm just going to say a prayer for everyone. If you'd like to pray with me. God, thank you so much for all that you do for us, for the Easter season that has just passed, for your son, sending your own son here and having him die that horrific death just to rise again, so that way the devil and hell would be defeated and that we would have victory and communion with you, God. So thank you for that, Lord. And I just want to lift up my viewer to you right now, God. You know everything that's going on in their lives. You know the needs, whether it be financial, struggles that they're going through, new jobs or jobs in general. If it's health issues that they're going through, Lord, whether it be for them or their family or loved ones, God, I just place them into your mighty hand, because I know that that is the absolute best place for them to be, Lord. I pray that you be their great provider, and everything that they need as we go about this week, God. I just pray that you work miracles in our lives, and that you are just so real to us, God, and move in such a way, God, that there's no way that anyone could deny that it was from you, and that you would get all the glory, Lord. I just want to thank you, God, for bringing these amazing people this way, for this community that you're growing. And I just want to thank you. I pray that you keep us healthy and happy and blessed until the next time we meet. And in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right. Well, I hope to see you in my next video. I hope you take care. I hope you have a very blessed week. And I'll see you next time. Bye.